As today in the series of National Digital Library of India website, how we can access or how we can get most out of this, I am going to discuss the things how faculty can take maximum advantage of this National Digital Library of India, which is one library all of India. It is developed by IIT Kharagpur and they are managing all the things related to the development of this National Digital Library of India portal, which is NDLI, and it is sponsored by MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource and Development of India. Okay, so in this session, I am going to get it started. So first of all, how we can access this? Just go to the Google and type NDLI. You will get a link and go to there. And for that, next is you can select your language as per your conveniency. Like here, there are few other languages as are there: English, Hindi, Bangla, and Gujarati and Marathi, many more. So you can go to the respective native language as well. So that portal, that website will be converted into that specific language. Now, as I am discussing the things related in English only, so I have chosen the na- native language of English here. Okay, so that you can modify according to your conveniency. Next is okay, let it come back and how we can log in and what are the benefits of login that we will see. So for the login at the topmost right hand topmost corner, you will get a tab login here. So click there, then you will it will redirect you to another page where you can either do your login or you have to sign up if you have not registered in this NDLI page. Okay, so that thing you can do by clicking here on the login. Either if you have the ID and password, then you can directly do the same, means you can directly enter in this website by entering the captcha, or you can register here by entering your personal details. Okay, so that you are registered on this NDLI portal. Now what is account recovery? Okay, account recovery is if you have forgotten the your ID or password, then you can recover your account by clicking on this account recovery tab. So these are the things of login. Now why we have to do the login is if you want to access the content and you again whenever you are revisiting your page, then that history will be there, means that will be saved. Okay, and on the same thing, if you are going to highlight or do some star work, means this page should come again come to your portal or on your login, so that will come back to your page whenever you do the login. Means you can restore or you can build your own library or on accessible data with the help of this login. Okay, you can store your all details, like you are studying on biotechnology, so you can search some journals of biotechnology and store it in your login. Okay, so that thing you can do with the help of this login thing. Now let's get started how faculties can utilize it at the max. What if you want to learn some new things related to either it is related to the school area or CBSE exam preparatory or energy engineering, you can go to directly these pages. Just click here, that will redirect you to this page. I am showcasing you the engineering content of this page. Similarly, you can go to the science, humanities, literature or law and management. Whichever fields you are belonging, you can directly click on that tab, that will redirect you to this. I belongs from engineering, so I am showcasing you the engineering. I have clicked here, so it will redirected me in the engineering page. It will look like this: common subject aerospace engineering. Just click on aerospace engineering. If you are from aerospace engineering, it will be convert. It will showcase you the details or content related to aerospace, like generals are there, video lectures of NPTELs are there, video lecture of MIT and open source where are there, means many more things are there related to aerospace engineering. You can directly go to this tab and access the content, e-content of your respective branch. And similarly, you can do the same thing for humanities, for literature and law and management. So this is the thing where you can scroll all the details. Now they have also published COVID-19 research repository, means here you will get all the details related to the COVID-19 research. Like if you want to get the data of what are the journals and conferences which are dealing with in the COVID-19 research area, click here research and repository or journal and conference. That will redirect you to the this page where you can get what are the upcoming conferences are coming, what are the published special issues of COVID-19, what are the published journals, you can get it from here. What are COVID-19 general aggregators, you can get it from here. What are the COVID-19 conferences or meetings that you can also scroll with the help of this page. So you can get up here, or you can enroll yourself by just clicking here and filling your details. Now, what are ideas which are related to the COVID-19? I'm just giving you the explanation of this COVID-19 research repository here. Ideas and funding. What are the ideas and fundings are there related to the COVID-19 repository that you can find it out by clicking here. Okay. Now, as you can see, these are the funding and ideas tab. So this you can get it here, like what are the funding details or ideas are here. And related to new blocks, what are the new blocks are there related to COVID-19 that they have specified. You can go through and get yourself updated about COVID-19 research material, and many more things you can get it from here, like what are the challenges and the startups are there that you can go. If you will click on this tab, then you will get it. What are the document and videos are there, what are the data sets, which is very important if you are doing some research in this COVID-19 field. Then the data are very essential, like data repository they have already placed here, data for COVID-19 researchers, this is there. Then you can access this data, this is free of cost. Okay. WHO global surveillance of human infection with coronavirus, that is there. So you can access this content, this is very easy for your research background. You can publish these papers with the help of by giving the references or acknowledgement to this website or the data from where you are getting the data. Coronavirus data set dimensions are there, figures are there. So many more things you can get it with the help of these details. Okay. Now, at the end, they have placed some featured collection like birth century of Satyajit Ray. On this day, what happens? Person of the week is Subramanyam Gorti. You can get details of this person. Topic of the week is cyclone storms. So this is the topic of the week. What are the talks and webinars are going on? If you will click here, then you will get what are the talks and webinars are going on in the present era or present scenario. Okay. So this is the thing. With the help of the NDL YouTube link is also there. Like if you will click on this NDTL YouTube link, they will directly redirect you to that NDTL YouTube link where you can get all the YouTube details of the NDTL. Okay. Or what kinds of things are there, means how you can easily access this NDLI or National Digital Library of India details. Okay. So that you can go through by clicking on this NDLI video YouTube link. Okay. So do visit. I'm stopping here. Thank you so much for patience hearing, and do subscribe our Engineering College Banswara YouTube channel for more such content or different domains or ICT utilization in teaching and learning philosophy or teaching and learning methodology as well. I request, if you have any kind of doubts related to Engineering College Banswara, or your friends or colleagues want to take admission in engineering at Engineering College Banswara, which is an autonomous institute of Government of Rajasthan, do fill the Google form which is there in the description box of this video, and visit our website by the link clicking which is there in our description box. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with our Engineering College Banswara YouTube channel. Thank you so much.